At BeePlanet, we manufacture energy storage systems by repurposing lithium-ion batteries from electric vehicles. We provide storage solutions for the commercial and industrial sectors, high-power charging solutions, and solutions for renewable energy plants. We lead the comprehensive management of automotive batteries in a circular process, partnering with major brands. After assessing battery performance, we manufacture following the highest quality and eco-design standards. We offer turnkey project installation and recycle batteries at the end of their lifespan. Our solutions are divided into two storage products, BeeZell and BeeCube. They are modular and scalable systems suitable for indoor and outdoor applications, compatible with existing installations. Our energy management system, BeeHive, serves as the central hub for facilities integrating storage with other energy assets such as power generation, grid connection, or vehicle chargers. It enables monitoring, diagnosis, and remote management, features zero injection certification, and integrates seamlessly with other brands. The main advantages highlighted by our clients are the performance of automotive batteries, technical support throughout the entire setup and operation cycle, and being part of a sustainable energy model. Thanks to them, we are pollinating the planet with sustainable batteries. Do you want a BeePlanet?